Welcome back. Summer is just around the corner and I am at Walmart and I cannot wait to go in there and show you all the new summer decor. So we are going to be looking at decor, fashion, maybe some Mother's Day items we will see, and kind of go through and see what's new there. So let's get in. Okay guys, they have a whole Mother's Day section here for us. So I want to go through and show you some of these items. Now, I think these are great for little kids. So you can do a DIY art card, and then you can also do this a build and paint birdhouse. So these are great for little kids under $5, but I think that's really fun if they want to do a little project and give them something handmade. They also have these DIY paint a pot. So we've actually bought these as well. But I think it's just a fun little activity for the kids to contribute and feel like they made something homemade. First of all, these are always a great idea. So it sees a mom letter treat boxes. You can fill them with whatever treats you want. You could even do small cookies. It's endless. You can even do a flower display in this as well, which would also be really fun. These are $9.97, but such a great gift idea. They also have the Love You one, which is fun. And then you can also stuff them with like the shred paper mix if you'd rather put something on top and kind of fill them up on the base and just put a little treat on top. Now, these cups were so cute. I love the little monogram mom one. These are under $10. They come with a straw and a screw-on lid. This one says I love you with the little blue and white stripes. So pretty. Tough as a mother. How fun is that? That reminds me of like a tattoo somewhere. And then moms make life beautiful. Simple, elegant. And then my favorite, people call me Gigi. So this is for the grandmas out there, but these are all under $10, you guys. Now, I thought this was really fun. These little tea towels are so cute. So this one says, my doctor said I need glasses, with all the wine glasses. And then sometimes I open my mouth and my mother comes out. So these are under $5. Like, I'm still debating on getting this one. You guys should let me know in the comments below. Should I get this for my mother-in-law? Because I really think she needs it. Now, there's also an adult and youth size apron set. So if you know a mom, or you're buying for a mom, or even just for yourself, honestly, if you have a little one, this is so cute. You can match your mini me, and then you could also pair it with a tin with a recipe tin. So it has all of these little recipe cards. You could even open it up and add a couple of your favorite recipes into it. So the Mom and Me apron set is $14.86. And the 10 is under 10. No pun intended. These cups are so cute. I mean, I love a good mug, but add a bow to it and you've sold me. And I really love this lighter muted pink color with the white bow as well. These mugs are under $5, and you can also stuff them with things like, for instance, this mini tumbler. Sassy with a side of sassy, or classy with a side of sassy. So fun. Thou shall not try me. And then this one just says mom. You guys will have to give me some ideas on what to put in these. All I can think of is like maybe like an espresso. I thought that would be kind of fun. Maybe you could put like a little Starbucks gift card in there with something like that. You'll have to let me know what you guys use these little mini tumblers for. And then I thought this bath bomb set was a steal. So this comes in 8 pieces, and this is only $10. If I go to the store, usually bath bombs are sold individually for no less than $2 a piece, usually around 3. So you're still getting a really good deal on that. And these change purses. So there was one that says, I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. And then this one is, thou shall not try me. And then too much of a good thing is wonderful. So this is actually my favorite one. It's got this pink leather backing, and they all do have leather backings on them. So super fun. And these are going to be $10, little change bags. These candles are really, really good. So this is my favorite. It is a scented candle, Bloom Where You Are Planted, Lakeside Garden. They also have a mom one here as well that smells really good. It's a spring honeysuckle. These candles are under $6, which are fantastic and great for adding into a Mother's Day gift. So these are great for gift baskets, or even just putting together with some other additional gifts. Okay, how cute are these little teapots? So they are going to be separate. You have Grandma's Love is a timeless treasure forever in bloom. And then you have this one that says a mother's love is the heart of the family. This is really my favorite. I love it. It's got the gold top on both of these. Super duper cute. Also, if you're putting together gift baskets, these are great options. So these are only $1. You can get a little face mask here. It's lavender, moisturizing and soothing. And you can also pair it with a foot mask, literally only $1 each. And you can pair them together in a basket. Okay, I also think these would make a really good Mother's Day gift. So these are under $20, which is unbelievable, but these are great for the beach. This is great just for carrying, things around in a tote. Actually, might have to get one from my mother-in-law as well. You can fill this with a bottle of wine, a towel. I mean, really go all out and just make this your basket. I think that would be super fun. Even like a gift card to their favorite restaurant or coffee shop would be really fun to add into this. But again, they come in multiple colors and are only $19.94. I went around the corner and I also found these other two colors. So they have the purple and this teal color, which is super fun. So lots of different color options. And again, it makes a great Mother's Day gift, or even just grab one and snag one and have it ready for summer. For $14.96, you can grab one of these water bottles, which I think would also be like a fun add-in for one of those gift baskets. This one has bows and blueberries. This one has purple flowers throughout. This keeps your drink cold for 32 hours and then hot for 12. And this lemon one is by far my favorite. Super duper cute. You can kind of see the top spout, so it's going to be like that. Super nice. And then it closes and also has this handle. There's a green one, a black one, and then they also have pink, and it's like a purplish color. And then they also have, it's more of this creamy color, but it's more of the seashell vibe. So if you're going for something like that, and again, these are only $14.96. Okay, for $6.97, they brought in these really delicious Crumble Dove body washes. This key lime one is by far my favorite. I love the smell of key lime. It just is so fresh for summer. They also have this tres leches and then a confetti cake. So super cool that they, went with Crumble. I'm guessing Crumble Cookie is the collab here, but they also have bars of soap, which is strawberry shortcake. And then they brought in the confetti cake um, bars of soap as well. They did also have some natural rebalance white peach and rice milk, and then this dragon fruit and coconut cream. But I think these are going to be a hit. Okay, I am loving these two PJ sets. These are so cute. These are made by Joyspun. They are super duper soft, just buttery, buttery soft. They do come with some shorts, as you can see here in the back. And these do have pockets in the shorts, so you can see. I love that this has a little front pocket in the front. It's got a nice soft collar. And then these shorts have pockets, as you can see on the side as well. But I love this little set. It is so cute. And as you can see, it's only $16.98. I love this PJ set as well. It is trimmed in yellow. Again, it is a Joyspun set. Super soft. Does come with shorts right here in the back. These do have pockets as well. And this has just fruit kind of scattered all over it that screams summer. Again, this is going to be that $16.98 price point. So really, really nice. So, so pretty. But again, these are $11.98. I just wanted to quickly show you what they look like as the set and how they each come with shorts in the back. Okay, these dresses are so adorable. I do love the arm right here, how it like puffs out. So that's going to grab your arm and kind of puff out. You've got this ruffled V-neck that crosses over. You do have the drawstring in the middle, and then you have the layers here at the bottom. I do love this. Does have a slip built into it, so that's nice. This dress is only $34. Super cute. And what I love about it actually comes in another color as well. So it's this green color here. So pretty. More on free assembly. I actually have the top that replicates this dress, but I think this is so cute that they brought it in a dress as well. I have the yellow and I just adore it. I think it's super pretty. And then this is actually $34 for these, but what a cute summertime dress to have in your closet. I do love the pleated detail here, so you can kind of see they're nice and tight pleats at the top, and then right at the waistline they break apart. So I also wanted to tell you guys, when you're shopping Walmart, it might say 34 on the tag, but always check online. This dress is actually $11 online right now. I am loving this Jessica Simpson top. It's so whimsical. I think it would look so cute with a pair of either skinny jeans or even just a pair of wide legs. So you can kind of see it has that detailing in the sleeves. It's stretchy top, and then it is going to be that square neck. Love this. And this is actually on sale as well. So it says $30.50, but it is on sale online. It is on sale online for $28.50. And they do have multiple colors, so if you like more of that cream colored, and I think that's really it. It's got the yellow and cream. Okay, these dresses are perfect for summer. I love that it has this stretchy midsection. These are only $36, and this pop of yellow is everything. There is going to be a liner. I'm going to show you guys really quick. So there is a liner on the inside. It's a little bit higher. See if I can get it for you guys. Yeah, so it's in there. There's a liner in there. So nothing's going to show through on this light colored dress, but I did love that they also had a blue option right here. So gorgeous. And honestly, I probably would prefer the blue. I just love the look of this. All right, for only $10, you can get this Scoop brand top. I think these are so fantastic. The material is really nice. I love this pop of yellow, so you can get this tee. As you can see, it's going to be more of that tighter fit with the crew neck. Love that. And then this jean colored one is gorgeous as well. It does look they have sizes up to 2X, which is really awesome. They have this pink color on sale for $5. And they have white and then also black. These are great pricing for this brand. I really love it. I think it would look great by itself, or you could even pair it underneath something as well. Okay, I think rompers are definitely going to be my thing this year, and I love this one. It is green. It's going to have more of that wide waistband with the shorts. Super duper cute though. Love this for $25, you guys. Look how cute this little romper is. They also brought in this really gorgeous blue, and then they have this pink color in the back as well. Kind of zoom out and see the full body. It does have like the cinched waist on this one, which is really cute. I love this, and it's going to be light and airy, so there is going to be a couple of layers, but it is super thin, so it's not going to overheat you. They did have this black one as well, and then more of this like concrete blue. So pretty. I'm not usually a red fan, but I love this cherry red. I think it's so incredibly soft. It does have a built-in bra, and this sculpting material is so pretty. You can kind of see it's got that nice elastic band going all the way around that's going to pull you tight so you're not falling out there. They do have, looks like a couple of different colors. So this blue color right here, and then they have a white in the back too, which I can't do that, guys. I can't work out in white. You'll have to let me know in the comments below. Can you work out in white? Because I feel like my sweat is going to just appear everywhere there. And then they also have these biker shorts. So right here, it's got the little, and then the back here. But these are super affordable. So these are $13, and then the top is $15.